This pink Haimin textured wallpaper offers a soft linen look with subtle white threads that gives walls a refined, fabric-inspired finish instead of a flat, solid color. The peel and stick backing makes installation straightforward, since you can reposition the wallpaper during application without needing separate paste or special tools. Its thicker vinyl construction feels sturdy in the hand, resists everyday scuffs, and can be wiped clean with a damp cloth, which is especially helpful in busy areas like kitchens or entryways. The generous roll size, measuring about 24 inches wide by 393 inches long, covers a substantial area and works well for accent walls or larger projects. Grid lines printed on the backing make it much easier to measure accurately and cut straight pieces, which is a real advantage for do-it-yourself users working around outlets, shelves, or cabinets. Because it adheres best to smooth, dry surfaces and can also refresh furniture, doors, and cabinets, it is a versatile option for coordinated room makeovers.